Forever Calendar Tutorial. Let's make a perpetual calendar to use year-round. Mix equal parts A and B of 1 epoxy resin with a couple drops of alcohol ink pigment, and mix slowly until clear. Fill up your molds to the top, being careful not to spill or overfill. If you spill over the bars, clean up with a Q-tip before letting it cure. Add glitter or inclusions before the resin starts to cure. Fill up the other mold pieces to the top. Be careful that no air bubbles get stuck while pouring. Make sure none of the circles are covered while it cures. When fully cured, demold all parts. Use a toothpick and acrylic paint and fill the details. You can also fill quickly with a paintbrush and wipe away the excess with a flat, dry paper towel before it dries. Add the L hook piece into the bottom slot, all the way to the left. Line up the holes to the farthest to the left ink numbers. Add some superglue to the L piece and add the calendar lined up along the top, centered around the ink farthest to the left. Add the smaller L hook to the top slot all the way to the left. Add some superglue and the small frame onto the bar, centering the text. Once dry, both pieces should now move freely. Add the triangle stands to the side slots and cure in place. Your calendar is now done and can be slid to show any day of the year.